This is Stay Tray. It's the world's first reusable drink tray, and it's proudly made from 100% recycled material and proudly made in Australia. Stay Tray is all about reducing single use. Less cardboard trays, less plastic trays, all whilst rehoming some of the world's waste. My name is Kate. I'm the founder and owner of Stay Tray. It's just me, a really small business, with my family in tow, an amazing partner Wade and two small kids, Tom and Edie, who are really proud of what we're trying to achieve. I developed Stay Tray because I was witnessing copious amounts of people changing their behaviour away from disposables to reusables, but having no alternative than the disposable cardboard or plastic tray. To me, it was painfully ironic. People using a single-use tray on their coffee run every single day and ending up, at best in recycling, consuming unnecessary water, energy and greenhouse gas emissions. I made a deliberate choice to support other small local Australian businesses, and so everything I did within a 50k radius. All design, tooling, manufacture and sourcing of our recycled material. Making the leap from corporate world to small sustainable business owner was enormous. I'm not an engineer, I'm not a designer, I don't have a background in environmental science or plastic manufacturing, but what I did know was I wanted to literally make a difference to people and planet. So I quit my career, all in efforts to bring you Stay Tray. The process really started with an idea to solve a problem, and thus I spent nights sketching out what it could look like. Prototype after prototype, drawing after drawing, testing hundreds of different cups would fit, all to bring you this. Stay Tray is absolutely perfect for the office coffee run, drive-through run, or for when it's your shout for coffee on site. Stay Tray gets even better at the beach, at a picnic, music festival, kids sport, or boating and caravanning. The best part is it easily fits in a handbag or bag, and you can leave it in the car and it won't crack or fade. In August 2018, I proudly launched Stay Tray as it exists now, the 4-cup holder. During the last 12 months, we've been constantly developing more sustainable solutions, like the launch of our Stay Tray insert. The insert provides multiple additional vessels to be held optimally: a kombucha style bottle, a baby's bottle, or some of the thinner reusable cups and water bottles. In addition to how Stay Tray currently exists, we've worked on a smaller 2-cup solution. It's great for everyday use to pop your water bottle, your coffee cup, or great for smaller families. So we're launching our Kickstarter and asking for your help. We want to continue to support small Australian local businesses. So that means keeping the design, tooling and manufacture all in Australia, nothing offshore. And with that comes additional costs. So in order to get this guy, our insert, and the 2-tray made in Australia, we need your support, we need your backing, we need your pledge, and we need your shares, please. I'm super proud of what I've been able to create, and I hope Stay Tray is truly embraced, and that we can all generate less waste while having a super cool, sustainable solution.